Hey guys, welcome back. It's Christina and today I'm bringing to you my May envelope stuffing. I'm gonna jump right into my Capital One 360 account and what I'm gonna be putting towards my savings account there. So I'm gonna be taking $41.50 and putting it to my Christmas fund in my Capital One 360 account. I usually do 50, but I bought something for Christmas already. I think it was dish towels. For if you guys have been watching me, then you know what I bought. So look back, dish towels for like this gift at the end of the year. So $41.50 to Capital One 360. Next, I'm gonna put $40 into my chimney lining fund, and yeah, that's it for Capital One 360. Okay, so next, guys, I have news, and stay tuned for another video because boy, do I have something to tell you about this topic. But guys, my car, I need this. I need this money. So I'm not stuffing this envelope today. I am taking all of the money out. All $273. I am taking it out because I need it. My car ended up breaking, but not in an operational sense. So this is not very necessary, I guess, but in order for me to drive my car, I'm not gonna drive my car without it, pretty much, unless it was really expensive, which watch my other video that I'm going to put out. You guys will get more details about it. But anyway, my car air conditioning just stopped working. The knob doesn't work, but it just blows out air the whole time, which is actually really annoying. If it just was no air like at all and nothing was blowing out and it wasn't making all that noise, I don't know guys about you, but I can't do two things at once very well unless I'm at work, and then I do a million at once. But like when I'm driving, I want to concentrate, and I want to put in my best effort, obviously, and when I hear that background noise with the fan blowing and all that, I can't concentrate that well. So that was really annoying, but stay tuned for that video. Long story short, I'm gonna need pretty much exactly this. The repair is gonna cost $310, and what I'm withdrawing is $273. So, and I would usually put $15 in the envelope for the month, which would bring me right around $290. And so out of pocket, I just have to come up with $20. So not bad. I'm so glad to see that what I have been doing has paid off. So now I'm like withdrawing, and I'm gonna use this money to fill my other envelopes. But before I fill envelopes, I'm also taking, this is so rare, I'm just usually stuffing, and I'm never really taking, but I am taking from my stationery envelope because I just came back from TJ Maxx, and there's quite a few events coming up in the summer, and they have the best greeting cards. They're $1.99, and they're for like, you know, all a happy birthday, happy Father's. And they're really beautiful, like really nice cards. And if you go anywhere other than like the dollar store, those cards are way expensive. So I get a really good quality card for only $2, $1.99 from TJ Maxx. So I got about 6 cards for some upcoming events. So I am taking or withdrawing from my envelope $12 from my stationery envelope. All right, so now I have a lot to work with, a lot of cash to work with to fill my other envelope. So first and most importantly, I have to add to my water envelope $50. I'm adding $50 also to my backyard envelope. And what's odd about my backyard envelope is I thought that I would already have used this money for by now, and I thought like my envelope would be empty, but I haven't even touched it because I've just been busy working on the investment property for my boyfriend. Yeah, so this summer we've just been really busy between managing the 2 houses. So the backyard fund has yet to be spent, which is okay. If I don't end up spending it, great, I'll put it towards something else in the fall. And if I do spend it, that's fine too, because I have the money set aside to do so. So anyway, that wraps up my May envelope stuffing. I gotta go put this in the bank And wish me luck on no more car repairs. That would be really great. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.